Guys, I'm going to work this morning, but it's raining so bad. It's raining. I just had to wear this one because I don't know the kind of rain that is falling in Benin right now, but to pack your hair properly because your hair does have to be all over the place. And I'm wearing this pants. I'm wearing a jean inside. As you can see, I'm wearing a jean. So I'll be carrying this bag. In here I have my clothes. This one. I put my clothes inside here. My shoes, my pen, my book, everything is in here. So I will just carry this bag now and I will just go because I have this jacket I'll be taking along. I don't know how bad it will get along the line, so I just have to go because I'm running late. The meeting starts by 10 and this is to 9. Before I get there, it will be like 10 o'clock. So I don't know. Let me just quickly put on a rubber slippers. Yes, rubber slippers, because I don't want to spoil any of my shoes this rainy period. See you guys later. I'll show you beautiful stuff. I woke up really late. Yeah, I didn't wake up on time. I'm supposed to because I didn't sleep on time. So this is me, and it's still drizzling. I don't want any rain to wet my hair, so I'm still trying to meet up with the time. This is like after 9, and meeting starts supposed to start by 10. So this is my outfit of the day. I'm covering my hair with my jacket to avoid water. Good morning, ma. See the way I'm party. God, I'm at the junction ready. So I will just have to wait for Heke that is going to my direction. Whew. It's not easy. Direction! I just got here and I'm trying to change. I'm inside a bedroom. So I'm done dressing. I'll just rush out now. I'm just panting. See, my face is so rough, God. Jesus. I'll just leave this hair like this because we just finished. I just finished from the meeting right now, and this is like 6 or something like that. So we just finished. Let me go and collect my stuff. I couldn't film yesterday because we didn't close on time, and by the time I got home, it was already past 9. Even this morning, it's still raining so bad. So yesterday, what happened was I got there really, really early. I was just in a hurry for nothing. I got there really early. Like the meeting was supposed to be for 10, but because I didn't check the group, I had already had it in mind that so it's going to be by 10 because it rained really heavily. That's yesterday morning. So they had to reschedule it to 2. So I got there by. So when I got there, I cleaned up myself because my legs were so messy, and by the time I got in, they were like, "Oh, sorry, we didn't um, tell you guys on time." I think we were 2 that came on time by 10. I think the other person came by to 10. Then he went back. Me, I came after 11. So I was there just gisting with every other person. But it was really frustrating having to come by 11 and then the meeting is going to start by 2. It was kind of it was somehow for me because I was just blaming myself by why the hurry? Why was I in a hurry? Like I needed to do some things at home. If I had known it was by 2, I would have waited and maybe do some house chores and maybe put some things in order before leaving. So while I was sitting there, I was just blaming myself like why didn't I check? I would have just take my time to get ready instead of me to be in that so much pressure. So I had to hang my camera because my hand was paining me. I didn't want to use a tripod. So so painful that I had to come back early because I had things I was supposed to do in the morning before leaving. But because I didn't wake up on time, I just had to rush down. I was saying, okay, if we should start the meeting by 10, maybe by 2 we should be done. But I got there, it was rescheduled. That's just it basically. Because there was so many noise, I had to pause. Even right now, the church in my house, they're about to start their service. So there will be so much noise here right now. So I will just have to end the vlog here today. So see you guys in my next video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, share, like, and turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever we drop a new video. I will just go right now. You can hear them, they're about to start selling. So we have to end this vlog here now. See you guys in my next one.